Those little things, I feel like that's the benefit of being a smaller company, and we are growing, but we're trying to really maintain that level of culture and keep those values there because when we care about one another, it makes us happier to take care of our customers. And at the end of the day, that's what we're here to do is to support the growth of our customers. So one of the things that that particular customer said when they were in our plants was how much confidence our associates have that we're building the products. She'd been in auditing before, so she wanted to really stump the associates. She wanted to ask questions. What are you looking for in quality? Where's your instructions? And she noticed they'd have to look for them. They were close by. They knew where they were, but they didn't ever skip a beat in terms of talking to her about the product that they were making, telling her exactly what they were looking for to make sure, and they knew what quality issues could arise